Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the BedBuddy Aromatherapy Heat Pad and Cooling Neck Wrap, a versatile drug-free solution for muscle and joint pain. Whether you struggle with neck tension, sore shoulders, or achy knees, this microwaveable pad promises soothing relief. But does it really work? Let's test it out and see if it's worth your money. The BedBuddy wrap is filled with 100% organic grains, herbs, and flowers, offering moist heat therapy. Just pop it in the microwave for quick relief. Unlike electric heating pads, it's flexible and form-fitting, molding perfectly to your neck, back, or knees. Plus, the lavender scent adds calming aromatherapy, making it great for stress relief. Doctors often recommend moist heat for muscle pain, and this delivers exactly that, naturally and without medication. Not in the mood for heat? No problem. Toss it in the freezer and it becomes a cold therapy pack, ideal for swelling, headaches, or post-workout recovery. The grains inside stay flexible even when cold, so it comfortably wraps around sore spots. Whether you need warmth for stiffness or cooling for inflammation, this two-in-one design has you covered. The soft fabric cover makes it comfortable against the skin, and it's reusable. Just heat or chill as needed. However, some users find the scent fades over time and microwaving times vary based on wattage. Also, while it's great for targeted relief, larger areas like the full back may need a bigger pad. Still, for neck and shoulder tension, it's a convenient, drug-free option. So, is the BedBuddy Aromatherapy wrap worth it? If you want drug-free pain relief with heat and cold options, absolutely. It's perfect for headaches, muscle stiffness, or even just relaxing after a long day. Have you tried it? Let me know in the comments. If you found this review helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.